Understanding Downshifting, a guide to simplifying life. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to talk about a fascinating phrase that's not just linguistic but also deeply cultural: downshifting. Let's explore what it means and how you can use it in everyday conversation. Downshifting refers to the process of slowing down one's pace of life, reducing stress, and focusing on quality over quantity. It's often associated with making intentional decisions to live more simply and mindfully. In the hectic buzz of our lives, downshifting can be a breath of fresh air. The term downshifting originates from the automotive practice of shifting into a lower gear. It symbolizes reducing speed and taking more control. This metaphor extends to life choices, where one shifts down from the high-speed, high-stress, fast lane, to a more controlled and peaceful lifestyle. When people talk about downshifting, they might mean several things: leaving a high-paying, high-pressure job for something less stressful, moving from a big city to a smaller town or the countryside, choosing to work fewer hours to spend more time with family. These are just a few examples of how someone might downshift their life. Now, let's put our word into action. You can say, after years of working in finance, Mark is downshifting to focus on his health. I'm considering downshifting my career to have more personal time. These sentences express the act of slowing down one's lifestyle or career path. I hope this video has given you a clear understanding of the phrase downshifting and how it reflects a choice to live more simply. Remember, it's not just a word but a lifestyle change that many are embracing worldwide. Until our next lesson, keep practicing and downshift to enjoy the little things in life.